it's so hard to memorize all the Korean consonants. So here I am. I'm gonna match brand name with each Korean consonant, so it's easy to remember. Alright, let's get started. First alphabet, 기역. 기역. 기역 has G sound. It has g sound. Which brand can you think of that starts with G? Well, I use this brand at least once a day. Actually more than once a day. Probably 10 times a day. Whenever I don't know anything, I go to this website, Google something. For 기역, Google. Google. Next one, 니은. 니은 has N sound. 니은 has N sound. So which brand starts with N sound? Well, this brand is famous with their slogan saying just do it. So 니은, Nike. I was thinking 니은, Nike. Diggit has D sound. Everyone loves this brand. They have their own channel now, so you can watch all the Marvel series and all these animations. So I think you know which brand I'm talking about. That's right. I'm thinking Disney. Disney. The next one, 리을. 리을 has L or R sound. 리을. When I was a kid, I used to use this brand every day, building some stuff with some blocks. I think you guys know which brand I'm talking about by now. That's right. 리을, Lego. 리을, Lego. I love this brand. Next one, 미음. 미음 has M sound. 미음, M. This is one of the car brand. One day, I'm gonna own yellow Mini. 미음, Mini. 미음, Mini. 기읍. It has B sound. B. This brand, it's one of the most famous dating app with B. So which brand would that be? That's right. 기읍, Bumble. The most famous dating app, Bumble. B. 기읍, Bumble. Next one, 시옷. 시옷 has S sound. 시옷. When you think of I go here every morning and most people cannot survive without this brand. I'm pretty sure. That's right. Starbucks. So 시옷, Starbucks. 이응 is the tricky one because itself doesn't have any sound. It's actually called silent consonant. Whatever vowels you put next to it, it will have that vowel sound. For example, with a vowel, it's gonna have a sound. With a vowel, it's gonna have a sound. With o vowel, of course, it's gonna have o sound.
맛있다. 오레오 한번 드셔보세요.
Next one, 지읒 has J sound. If you go Starbucks for coffee, you will go here for some juice. In Konglish, it's called jamba juice, but in English, jamba juice. 지읒, which has J sound. 지읒, jamba juice. Next one, 치읓. So if you add one stroke on 치읓, it becomes 치읓. 치읓 has CH sound. 치. So 치읓. CH sound. 치읓. I only could think of this brand when I heard chu because I love their lollipops I love their candies. Lolly, lolly, lollipop. That was when I was in middle school.
Nah, that's not how we do it.
Lolly, lolly, lollipop, 달콤하게 다가와. Lolly, lolly, lollipop, 되게 속삭여줘. Surprised I still remember this song. Chupa chups, chill, chip, chip for chupa chups. Next one, kill. So kill has K sound. K. This one I had to think a little bit because I was like, which brand starts with K? And there were some options I could choose, like Kate Spade, I don't know, Kmart. But this one, Kellogg. Kellogg. In Konglish though, it's called Kellogg. Here, which has k sound, Kellogg. T has T sound, t. First thing that came up in my mind when I saw Teal, the brand, I really wish I bought their stocks 3 years ago when it was like $200. Now I don't know how much it is right now. I mean, I know, but I don't really want to think about it. In Konglish, Tesla, which has T sound, Tesla. Teal, T, Tesla.
Tesla to McDonald's!
Next one, peel. Peel has P sound, p. Of course, I thought about pizza when I heard p sound. This brand, here we go. Peel, p, Pizza Hut. Peel, p, Pizza Hut. Finally, the last consonant, here. Here has H sound, h. Here has H sound, h. The best dessert, ice cream. It's, I would say, one of the most popular ice cream brands, Haagen-Dazs. Here with H sound, h. Haagen-Dazs, h. Haagen-Dazs. I really hope that this video helped you guys how to learn Korean consonants, how to memorize, how to pronounce Korean consonants. So please leave a comment if it helped you. Yeah, I want to hear from you guys if this video really helped. And if it did, I want to keep doing this. I want to keep making this video. Korean consonants match with some food. Korean consonants match with some fashion brand. So please leave a comment and subscribe. Bye!